Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've set up my Dexter room here in preparation for painting the parts for the F-250, and go in here in a second, but I took one of the canopies that I have and ended up wrapping it in plastic, keep the overspray down. And we'll see how it does, but I got everything basically set up, cleaned everything down with wax and grease remover just a couple minutes ago, and I got all the gun, the sealer and everything out and ready to go on. So let's take a look here. I hung up everything inside and like I said, cleaned it down. Everything looks real good. I scuffed it down with some red Scotch-Brite, some what equals to be about 400, and cleaned it down twice with some wax and grease remover and some paper towels. And in just a couple minutes, I'm going to mix up the paint, or I'm sorry, the sealer, and spray it on, and I'll come back and show you what it looked like. All right, so I opened up the paint booth a little bit here, just to be able to get some air exchange through here. It was getting a little nasty inside, so, but the good news is the finish turned out fantastic. Looks like I do have a little speck right, oh no, that's little runs that this factory glue that was in here was run off. So most of this gets covered by the little insulation, so I'm not too worried about that. But I don't know if you can see the finish on the film, but it turned out really, really nice. Really nice. So this one I did notice I got a speck here, but it's on the inside and I'm not going to worry about it. So everything else looks really good. I'm mixing up some color right now and going to lay it down. All right, we're back again, and base coat's down, and I got somewhere between 3 and 4 coats. I just wanted to make sure it was hit all the way around, and it really did turn out really, really nice. Really nice. I'm very, very happy. So I'm going to do the inside clear coat in just a few minutes. I need to let this sit just a little bit longer. I'm going to do inside clear coat, which I wasn't going to do clear inside, but might as well. I'm already here. So, and then the temperature's dropping outside just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is hit the inside of all 3 pieces, and then I'll come back tomorrow when it warms up again, and I want to lay them down so I can get a really nice clear coat across the top of the hood and the 2 fenders. So that should hopefully help me with any runs as well. Well, once again I lucked out, and the clear went down really, really nice. I used this light and just went back and made sure that it was no dry spots anywhere, and like I said, I just did the inside and I'll come back and lay these down on the horses I have, and spray the outside tomorrow, probably tomorrow morning when it warms up a little bit. So it's supposed to get back up in the 70s tomorrow. So that should be real nice. As long as it was like today, we should be good. So yeah, for not being in a paint booth, I think it turned out really, really nice. There's some minor, I see some minor flecks in there, but they're just on the outside. I'll go back over with the tack rag in the morning, just before I spray it, and fingers crossed, hopefully everything is good. So that's about it. I'll shoot again in the morning. So it's been 2 days, I think, since the last video I took, which is also part of this, but the last time I shot the video, and I put these down, the fenders, I laid them down, and I also had the hood right here, which I'll go out and show in a minute. I have it on the truck, and once again, everything turned out really nice with the fenders. The hood has some little nibs on it, which was to be expected, especially in the in my makeshift paint booth here. But no dry spots. The fenders turned out a lot better than the hood. The hood has a bunch more nibs than I would hope, but realistically, I'm very, very happy with it. And I had just set it on here yesterday, but here it is out in the sun. Just the slightest bit of orange peel. And you really can't even see any of those nibs right here. But there is one, not hair, but it's like a fuzzy, right up in the corner over there. I can't even see where it is right at the moment, but I'm not really too worried about it. I could sand it out and then buff it down again, but I think for now I'm extremely happy with how it turned out. So that's it. That's going to end this video, and the next one I'm going to get the coolant. I had to get a another secondary radiator. This tab down on the bottom is broke off right here, so I'm going to replace that right now. And then I'm waiting for a thermostat. The secondary thermostat for this guy goes right in here, and then hook up the rest of this cooling, and that's it. I'm going to fire it up and let it run for a little bit and see if we're good there as far as the cooling system goes. So again, like and subscribe and hit that notification button if you want to be updated about new videos, and more to come. Thanks.